Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Photoshop. I am architect Sonorai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to draw a collage in Photoshop. So we will draw a simple shapes in collage so that you can learn. So for this I am going to create new here and I will click this. And now I am going to create a new document and I am going to select web large 1920 into 1080 pixel, and you can set the resolution here. I am going to leave it at 72, and now I am going to create a new document, and this is a white background here. And now after this I am going to drop a image here, and we'll insert an image, and you can select your own image. You can select any building or any landscape design or whatever images if you want to put as a background, you can put it here. So I'm going to drag and drop a image. So I'm going to insert this image and I will directly drag and drop this. So I'm going to drop this here, and this is the landscape area. So I am going to adjust the scale here. Can adjust by pressing Ctrl T, and now after this I am going to finish this, and you can adjust the opacity if you want. This is 100%, so you can reduce and make it lighter here if you want. And now I am going to draw some shapes here. So whatever the collage shape, so I will draw simple shapes here. So I am going to use this rectangular marquee tool here, and for this I will create a layer. And now I will select this rectangular marquee tool and I will select this and I will draw a shape here. And now this is in layer 1, and now by selecting the background foreground color as a white, I am going to fill this with a white color here, and I will press Ctrl D, and now I will right click here and I will go to blending option, and I will select stroke here, and you will go to stroke and you can select the position of this to inside, and if you select outside it will be outside. So I'm going to select inside, and you can adjust the size of this stroke. So I'm going to make it this like this, and after this I will finish this. Okay, and now I am going to press Alt on my keyboard and I will copy this, and I will copy this here. Then I will copy this here, and I will copy this here. So likewise you can start drawing shapes of whatever geometrical shape if you want to insert in your collage. So I am going to make like this simple, and this is the most simple method. I am going to tell you how to create a collage. So you can insert pictures of your selfies or whatever family pictures or building design for your portfolios, whatever your wish, you can insert these images. So now I am going to select again this rectangular marquee tool, and now I am going to select this elliptical marquee tool, and I am going to create another layer here, and I will draw a circle here. So I will draw a circle here, and I will could not move the selection because the selected area is empty. So I'm going to fill this. Now we'll move this here, and I will press Ctrl T and I will reduce the scale here, and now I will finish this, and I will press Ctrl D to get rid of this command. And now I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to blending option, and again we'll follow the same thing. I'm going to check this stroke here, and we'll make a frame here. So after this I'm going to press Alt and copy this to the right side. And now I am going to draw some other shapes here. So I am going to see shapes, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, and I am going to select polygon tool, and you can start drawing polygon, and you can select, put your sides, how many sides if you want. If you want pentagon, you can press 5 here, you can write 5 here, and if you want hexagon, so I want hexagon, I am going to enter 6 here, and so you can right click here, and you can go to blending option, and you can check this stroke, and you can adjust the size here. So this is minimum, so I'm going to copy this here. You can also increase the stroke here if you want. So I am going to draw this kind of shape, and now our shape is drawn here. So you can draw any shapes if you want. You can rotate this also. So suppose if you want to rotate this square here, so you can draw any other shape here. I'm going to teach you, and I will draw a shape here, and I'm going to create a layer for this, and I'm going to fill this, and I'm going to right click, blending option, and I will press a stroke here, and press Ctrl D, then Ctrl T, and you can rotate your collage here. Same thing you can do to the other side here also. So this is just to make you understand how to draw collage. So now I am going to tell you how to insert pictures into this. Just like this. So I am going to select my first collage shape here, and layer 1 to copy, and this layer 1 to copy is selected, and after this I will go to my download folder, and I will drag and drop this image here, and after this you will just finish this image. And now I'm going to right click on this image, and you will select create clipping mask. So you can see this girl image is inserted into this, and you can adjust with this shape. You can also press Ctrl T, and you can adjust this image like this. So after finishing, you can finish this, and similarly you will repeat for others. So I am going to select my second image, and before that you are required to select this shape here, layer 1, copy 4, and then I'm going to drag and drop this image here. Don't worry about the size of this, and I'm going to finish this. And now I will click on this image and right click and create clipping mask, and you can create this shape here. Press Ctrl T, so again I'm going to select this shape here, and this is layer 1, and after this I will go and select this image. I will drag and drop, and I will finish this. Then right click on this image and create clipping mask, and all done. I am going to press Ctrl T, We will adjust the scale of this image. So again I am going to repeat this for this layer 1, copy 3, and can drag and drop this image here, and you can finish this. Then right click on this image, create clipping mask, and press Ctrl T. So I'm going to select this one, layer 1, copy, and we'll select the next image. So I'm going to drag and drop this image here. Again finish this, and then right click on this image and create clipping mask. Then again I'm going to select this image, layer 2, and I'm going to drag and drop the next image, and finish this, and then right click on this and create clipping mask. Again I'm going to select this image, layer 2, copy, and I will drag and drop this image here, finish this, and right click on this image and create clipping mask. You can adjust the scale by pressing Ctrl T. Finish this. So likewise you can repeat this. So I am going to pause this for timing, and I will show you the final product. So now I have finished my collage here, and you can see this is very simple method, and by using this method you can create collage of any shapes. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topic in Photoshop. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.